Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial and you guys missed them. I missed them, so I'm bringing them back. I'm going to show you how to create this monotone, peachy, nude kind of makeup look. I'm so obsessed with this, especially foxy eyes. I've been doing foxy eyes for a long time now and I feel like every time I do them, it makes you feel some type of way. I love foxy eyes and this whole look really. It's such a nice, natural kind of nude but still very wearable kind of makeup look that you can wear basically everywhere. I'm going to be creating this makeup look using all Kiro Beauty products. Thank you so much to Kiro Beauty for working with me on this video. I'm so excited to share with you all of the products that I've used. Kiro Beauty is 100% vegan and cruelty free and we love them for that. All the Kiro Beauty products are actually skincare infused and they contain amazing carrier oils like avocado oil and mango seed oil, jojoba oil and argan oil. These products are also paraben free and completely focused on high performance and high quality. These products will not just serve you fabulous looks but will also help your skin. They hydrate and moisturize and help your skin glow when you apply all of these products infused with fabulous ingredients. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the Kiro Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Peachy Gold. I am going to pop that right on my eyes. This is like the perfect one and done eyeshadow. It makes your eyelids look so pretty. And then I'm just gonna blend that to make sure it's not too stark. Now you do want to work with this kind of fast because it is a very long wearing product, so it is gonna set in place and then not move throughout the day. Now I'm gonna make sure to take it like kind of further inwards just to highlight my inner corners as well, and I want to do like a foxy eye situation, so I want the inner corner of my eye to be super bright. Now it's time for the foxy eyeliner and I'm going to be using the Kiro High Definition Soothing Eyeliner. This is in the shade Earth Brown, my current favorite brown eyeliner. I actually wear brown eyeliner more than I wear black because I feel like it's a little bit softer and it just looks really pretty. Very easy to wear on a daily basis as well, and this is super long wearing and super smooth and creamy. So I'm just going to start drawing the foxy tip. And then with the brush, I'm just going to perfect it. Now once the front tip is drawn in, you can see how much like elongated the eye looks. And I'm going to do the same thing on the outer corner now. Do you see how smooth and creamy this liner is? You don't have to pull your eyes at all. Look at that sharp angle, and now the eyes look super foxy. You can see what a huge difference there is in the shape of both of my eyes. On to the waterline now. Now if you want, you can definitely smudge it and smoke it out and make it look like a smoky foxy eyeliner. I think I'm gonna leave it looking like that. I think it looks so pretty and it just defines the eyes really well without making it look too stark because this is a brown eyeliner. Now I'm quickly gonna do my other eye. Okay, so both my eyes are done now. You can see they look super foxy and super sexy. I absolutely love this look. This is literally perfect for any occasion. It's a very neutral, peachy, brown kind of look. You can wear this basically wherever you like. I just popped in some very natural looking falsies just to elongate the eye and give it more like a foxy look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. This is the Kiro Beauty Glow On Blush Duo in the shade Coral Classic and Perfect Pink. It looks like this inside, so you actually get 2 blushes for the price of 1, which is great. And both of these colors are like so perfect for every day, a pinky color and a peachy color, and I basically use blushes in just this family of colors, so I'm very excited about this duo. You can basically get 3 different blush looks out of this. You can do just the peach or just the pink, or you can do what I'm doing right now and just get both of them on your brush. All of these compacts come with a mirror, which is perfect. Okay, you can see that is how the blush looks. It's so pretty. There's a very natural sheen on this blush. It's not shimmery or glittery at all. It just looks like very natural and glowy. Now you can see my cheeks are kind of glowy right now. I absolutely love that. Has such a beautiful natural satiny finish. So let's move on to the highlighter. This is the Kiro Beauty Perfect Prism Highlighter. There is a peachy golden highlighter and a champagne kind of highlighter. This is called Sandy Rose plus Pearly Bronze. Again, I'm just gonna mix both of them and apply them on my cheeks. Ooh, look at that. That is so stunning. It's not a very chunky highlighter at all. It looks like a very beautiful natural glow. Okay, it's time for the lips. I'm gonna take the Kiro Beauty Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Peachy Nude. Like, this is totally my kind of vibe. I live in peachy nudes and I absolutely love the packaging of this. Look at the cap on here. So beautiful. I'm just gonna pop this on my lips now. Okay, so this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. I absolutely love the Kiro Beauty products. I think the eyeliner sits so well and applies beautifully. The eyeshadow is not creasing at all. It's so nice and long wearing. The blush looks beautiful. The lipstick is super comfortable to wear. So definitely check them out. I'm gonna link all of the products in the description box for you guys. Make sure you check all of the links out and let me know what you thought of this look in the comments down below. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I hope you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on future fun videos like this. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!